Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Shelly Letters by Shells, and today we are going to be writing the letter X, so let's get started. Using my brush pen, I'm going to transition to an upstroke applying light pressure, and then a downstroke applying heavy pressure, and then another upstroke. And I'm going to just finish it off with another downstroke, but I'm applying basically like medium pressure for that. And my lowercase x, I'm going to do another downstroke, and then an upstroke, and then another like medium pressure. So that's kind of like what I'm doing. I know it sounds kind of weird how I am doing medium pressure. It's because I wanted to have like a nice contrast between like the X itself. I feel like for me it's really hard to try to make it more exciting and different. So that was my take on just kind of making it a little bit different by applying a heavy stroke first, and then the last stroke was just going to be like a medium pressure. I hope that kind of helps, and there you have it.